قل الله يحييكم ثم يميتكم ثم يجمعكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Say, Allah causes you to live, then causes you to die. Then He will assemble you for the day of resurrection, about which there is no doubt, but most of the people do not know. There are facts and constants that no one disputes. Allah, exalted is He, the one who created this universe with this precision and perfection and created us the first time. Is He not capable of resurrecting the dead? To Allah is the return, as we will all be gathered for the day of resurrection without a doubt, and we will all be judged for what we did in our lives. We do not see people disputing these facts. However, we also do not see an impact in the lives of most of those who speak of these matters. How is the reality today? The reality today is profusely refusing Allah's religion, His legislation, and His methodology. We see that Islam has been confined to words that are repeated and rituals that are performed. Then people do what they please in their lives, far away from Allah's commands and legislations. Humanity today lives in misery, conflict, moral decay, injustice, poverty, suffering, and submission to anybody except Allah. Glorified and exalted is He. They cannot be cured except by returning to Allah's religion again and referring to His legislation and methodology.